Alright, here's my Connect 4 project. I'm going to start with the structure I defined up here. I decided to include the alpha and beta values within the node itself, as well as the game field and then all children. And I'm just going to skip right to the min-max function. Alright, so when I first start this, if we hit the bottom of the tree, obviously I'm just going to return null. I'm going to define the alpha and beta of the root immediately. So alpha is going to be the lowest number as possible, and beta is going to be the highest number as possible. And then we're just trying to get alpha as high as possible from there, and beta as low as possible from there. So after that, I decide to search through all possible moves, just whatever column is available to make a move in, and then we'll make a new game field based on all those possible moves. And then we'll call this method recursively to make a new child. And then after that, this is where the alpha beta stuff happens. If the alpha is greater than the beta, then we're just going to prune. And otherwise, if we still have a child, we're just going to check to see if the child's alpha is less than the beta, or if the child's beta is greater than the alpha. And then we'll just replace the value depending on whether that's true or not. And then if we've hit the bottom of the tree, then we're just going to evaluate the lowest game field and then set that value there. So that'll just keep going back up the tree as it goes. Yeah, and then we push that child that we created with the game field into our child vector in the node, and then we return that back to root. And right here I call the getScore function, which is my heuristic. So right here, this gives the game field a score based on how many pieces are in a row. So if there's R pieces in a row, it gives it a really high score. And if there's R minus 1, it gives it a slightly less score, and so on. And if it's for the opposing player's advantage, then it'll give it negative values. And here's my Connect 4 right here. So I already set it up to where I was about to get 3 in a row. I'm going to go ahead and go for 4 in a row. It's probably going to block me immediately. Yeah, so it's kind of smart, but my heuristic definitely needs some adjustments, but it can play me, and the tree seems to work fine. I did alpha beta pruning. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks.